Hey guys, welcome back to week 5 of the hair challenge by Nature Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Vitamins. I did a couple videos. I already did one because it was a month on April 1st, so I wanted to wait till April 1st. But I washed my hair today, but I have noticed a little difference on the top of my head, like there's new hair growing in, like I said before, but I haven't really noticed a difference on the bottom half of my hair, because this side, I truly believe this side is longer than this side, but they could be the same. Like I said before, it's only week 5, and I think to see a difference, you have to wait 3 months. So, I was doing a blog, but I stopped doing that. I'm just gonna update you guys on, on my YouTube channel. So, yeah, I think, like, it is helping, but I don't know. So, if you guys have any comments, please comment down below and keep on watching. Thanks.